I am in charge of the pool. Gotta get this pool cleaned.
Cause we got all the time in the world, for better or worse, we should stay together. So let's stay young and in love, we should focus on us forever. Yeah, baby, if you are feeling like I do, we could run away across the ocean. Baby, what you say? We can leave today. Anywhere we'll go, we'll be alright. It's all about you.
Good morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday. It is a beautiful sunny day today. Summer is in full swing. Today we thought, since it's so beautiful, so sunny, we're gonna go swim. We have a beautiful pool. We love to take advantage. We've been to the water parks this year already a couple times. But this time we're gonna spend some time as a family in our backyard, swimming in our pool. But before we do that, I gotta show you around in our backyard. It's not in good condition right now. We've gotta get it cleaned up. I'll show you how it looks. As you can see, our backyard is in disarray. It needs some cleaning, some real work. So we're gonna give some assignments. People are in charge of cleaning parts of the backyard. Hallie?
I'm gonna be in charge of the pool floaty bin.
Okay, yep, that looked pretty bad. All leaves and debris inside, so she'll be using this shop vac to help clean it. And then Ty's gonna be in charge of all the leaves out here. There's tons. They fall from all the trees right there. Livy, I'm gonna put in charge of sweeping the trampoline. And then Stella, you're gonna help everyone else out, okay? So if they ask you to help, then you are the person to go to. Which brings me to my part. I am in charge of the pool. Gotta get this pool cleaned. Everyone wants to go swimming, but as you can see, tons of leaves on the surface and on the bottom of the pool, if you can see that. We do want to thank Beatbot for sponsoring this video. They have sent us a state-of-the-art pool vacuum. We loved it. We've been using it for the last week, and we can't say enough good things about it. Let me show you what it looks like. This is the Beatbot AquaSense. Right now it's sitting in its charging dock. We like to charge it inside, but you can also charge it outside, whatever you prefer. This is super convenient because it's cordless. Whenever you need to use it, you just pull it right off, just like that. This is what it looks like when it's off dock. And when you're done using it, you just put it right back on. Very easy with this handle, just like that. Now let me show you what this AquaSense can do. We don't have any of your traditional pool cleaning equipment. We got no brushes, just have a plain skimmer, no vacuums. We've never had hoses, anything like that. So this AquaSense is gonna do wonders for us. So I'm gonna let this calibrate for 5 seconds on a flat surface. Then I can just plop it into the water. The Beatbot AquaSense is equipped with 15 advanced sensors serving as its eyes and ears, which enables it to intelligently plan the optimal cleaning route for your pool. We love it for our pool because it's not the most traditionally shaped, but it still cleans it with high efficiency and coverage. It also features 4 independent roller brushes, 2 in the front, 2 in the back, which work simultaneously to double the scrubbing area. These roller brushes provide precise control and exceptional cleaning coverage. This, along with its powerful brushless main pump motor, allows it to clean large and small debris and makes it effective to work on all material surfaces. It boasts up to 5,500 GPH suction, which gives it its remarkable agility in climbing pool walls.
Hey guys, happy Tuesday. As Marcos told you, we are getting the pool cleaned, the backyard clean. We're so excited about this Beatbot AquaSense. I'm gonna skim the pool. The girls are just finishing up some jobs. Ty is sucking up the leaves right now. And we're just having a fun family day for summer. I was just getting a workout in this morning, and then we're all gonna get in the pool and enjoy a nice lunch, a classic summer day. So we're gonna take you guys along with us.
Essentially, once you place the AquaSense into the pool, it'll go through the following steps. Number 1, it'll map the pool out using its ultrasonic sensors. 2, it'll start cleaning the floor. 3, it'll work its way up the walls and clean the water line. And 4, it will intelligently return back to the water line based on its memory, ready for you to retrieve it.
This will be our first official time being in the pool as an entire family. Kids have been swimming all throughout the summer, but we decided to have a family day, and we're so excited about the Beatbot AquaSense vacuum. As Marcos said, we have absolutely no pool equipment to clean. We do have a pool cleaning service that comes once a week, and obviously we skim, but this is gonna be a game changer. So we're super excited. We're just finishing up cleaning. Girls are in the pool having a great time. We're gonna start grilling in a sec here, and then we're all gonna get in and swim. So happy summer.
Good job.
Okay, we got the snow cone machine. Who's ready for snow cones? Dad's getting the ice in. So we got this for Christmas a couple of years ago.
Okay.
What flavor did Livy do?
Lemon lime and pineapple.
Okay, what flavor?
Tiger's blood and watermelon.
Looks good.
Let's see what the damage is. Take a look at the filter. One of the awesome features of this is so easy to clean. You just open that compartment up, pull the filter out, look at all that. You see bugs, leaves, even like the palm tree leaves.
Ew.
All that stuff.
That was all on the bottom of the pool. Isn't that crazy?
There's also a bug right
Yep.
there.
Ew.
What is that?
Big bugs.
The Beatbot AquaSense features the innovative Memory Park Smart Return. Once the cleaning cycle is complete, it automatically docks at the water line for 10 minutes, ready for easy retrieval. And just like that, the pool is clean. The kids have had so much fun swimming today. We couldn't have done it without the Beatbot AquaSense. Thanks again, Beatbot, for sponsoring this video and sending this awesome vacuum. It is a wonderful addition to our cleaning equipment, especially in our backyard where we can clean the pool now. We'll go ahead and include all the information about the AquaSense in our description. Please make sure and check it out. Get your own. If you have a pool, you will not regret it. And we'll just continue on our fun summer day.